how to fix high ping and network lag on FC26 PS5. The first thing that I suggest doing is going to be getting your controller, pressing the options button here and restoring the license for FC26. You just want to restore the license, and once you have done this, we can proceed to the next step, which is going to be going into settings. Now here you want to click on network, then settings, set up internet connection. Here you will find your internet connection, and again you want to press the options button, click on it, then Wi-Fi frequency bands, set this to 5 GHz only. And also for the advanced settings, you want to go into DNS settings, set this to manual, and you will type for the primary DNS 1.1.1.1 and for the secondary DNS 1.0.0.1. Afterwards, you want to click on OK. This is going to connect you to the internet, and hopefully this fixes the lag for FC26. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.